Hello, student. Good morning. Today we will study Hornbill's third chapter, Discovering Tut. The saga continues by A.R. Williams. So this chapter is about the last heir. Heir means जो उसका जो वारसदार होता है वो किसका of the powerful Pharaoh dynasty, Tutankhamun, who died when he was a teenager after ruling for 9 years. He died in a mysterious way. This chapter throws light over all possible mysteries, the curse, where his tomb lies, his life, and ultimately death. So you can see in the picture, this is the tomb of Tutankhamun, that is Tut, and these are the things that got from that tomb. उसकी कब्र में से ये जो चीज़ें है वो मिली थी. You can see in pictures. So Egyptians believed that there is life after death, and that is the reason why the pharaohs were buried with wealth and everyday use items. So these are the wealth that was discovered in his tomb. So this is the picture of Tutankhamun. So let's start the chapter. Discovering Tut, the saga continues. He was just a teenager when he died. Teenager means the age between 13 to 19. The last heir means जो inheritor होता है, successor होता है, उसके पीछे जो वारसदार कहलाती है वो. The last heir of a powerful family that had ruled Egypt and its empire for centuries. He was laid to rest laden with gold and eventually forgotten. So here there is a story of Tutankhamun who was a teenager and died, and he was the last heir of that powerful family that had ruled Egypt and its empire for centuries. So he was laid to rest laden. Laden means loaded. So when he died, he was kept एज अ मम्मी, राइट. उसको एक टोम में रखा गया, कब्र में रखा गया, कॉफिन जो होता है उसमें रखा गया. लेडन मीन्स कवर्ड, लोडेड विथ गोल्ड, एंड एवेंचुअली मीन्स फाइनली फॉरगॉटन, लास्ट में उसको अब भूला गया, राइट. सिंस द डिस्कवरी ऑफ हिज टोम इन 1922. So his tomb was first discovered in 1922. Just keep remember this date in your mind, that year in your mind. It was first discovered in 1922. The modern world has speculated about what happened to him, with murder being the most extreme possibility. So here the word speculated. So the modern world has thought about what had happened to him. So at the age of 19 he died. So many people think about him and his history and his background, wanted to know about his background. So it was extreme possibility of murder, right? ऐसा लगता है कि उसको मारा गया था. It was not a natural death. Now leaving his tomb for the first time in almost 8 years, Tut has undergone a CT scan that offers new clues about his life and death. So after discovering the tomb, it was discovered in 1922. So उसके कुछ साल बाद उसको CT scan करने के लिए भेजा गया about clues about his life and death. So CT scan में उसकी clue मिलेंगी about his life and about his death. So his body was about to undergo a CT scan which would give new information and clues about his life and death. His face would be recreated with the help of a procedure called forensic reconstruction. So in the surgery, the scientist will give him a new face, और उसके एक look दिया जाएगा. You can see in the picture, this is a given look to him. So you can see in picture the body that was discovered of Tutankhamun, and see the shape is given to him. An angry wind stirred up ghostly dust devils as King Tut was taken from his resting place in the ancient Egyptian cemetery known as the Valley of the Kings. So here the word steed. Steed means move or goes to move slightly. The word ghostly means an unnatural, which is unreal. Resting place, it means that here the grave. Cemetery, it means that a large burial ground जिसको दफनाया जाता है वैसा ground. Dark ballad, it means dark in color. Okay, so a fast, strange and unnatural wind was blowing as King Tut's body was taken from his grave called Valley of the Death. तो an ancient Egyptian cemetery जिसको कहते हैं कि the location of the Valley of the King is given in the image. Okay, तो उस वक्त जब उसको लाया जा रहा था, it was brought in the for the CT scan. At that time an angry wind, बहुत ही हवा चली थी, तूफान आया था और डस्ट का तूफान आया था. Dark bellied clouds had scudded across the desert sky all day and now were veiling the stars in cascade grey. So at that time, यहाँ पर ऐसा दिया गया है कि उस वक्त इतना डार्क स्काई हो गया था एंड स्टार्स वेलिंग मीन्स कवरिंग, तो स्टार को भी उसने कवर कर लिया था, राइट. when the body was taken for the CT scan. It was 6 p.m. on 5 January 2005. So it is the time and date given when the body was brought for the CT scan. The world's most famous mummy glided head first into a CT scan brought here to probe means search the lingering medical mysteries of this little understood young ruler who died more than 3,300 years ago. तो ये जो तुतुनखामुन है वो 3,300 साल पहले उसने रूल किया था. ही वॉज रूल्ड 3,003 years ago and this mummy was taken for the CT scan. It was moved and it was for the first time that the mummy was taken for the CT scan. Okay, for the lingering means जो अनसुलझी, जो मिस्ट्री है, जो रहस्य है, उसको आज समझने के लिए उसको CT स्कैन में लाया जा रहा था. सो स्टूडेंट, यू कैन सी दिस इज कॉल्ड द वैली ऑफ द किंग. इसको वैली ऑफ किंग से जाना जाता है. यू कैन सी इन पिक्चर. दिस इज इनसाइड द केव. ऑल आफ्टरनून the usual line of tourists from around the world had descended into the cramped, rock-cut tomb some 26 feet underground to pay their respect. So here it is given that many visitors visited that tomb, okay, which is 26 feet in underground. बहुत ही गहराई में वो उसकी जो टॉम है वो छिपी हुई है. एंड द विजिटर्स वर देयर टू pay their respect to the king Tutankhamun. Here it means that visitor gazed at the murals, the paintings that are in the wall of the tomb. जो कब्र में कुछ पेंटिंग से उसको वो देख रहे हैं visitor gazed at the murals on the walls of the burial chamber and peered at its gilded face. The most striking feature of his mummy shaped outer coffin lid, as you have seen in picture that I have shown to you. मैंने पहले आपको कुछ pictures जो है उसके बताए थे. So visitors were there and they were looking at the mummy. Some visitor read from guidebooks in a whisper. So the guidebook was there and visitor were reading and whispering. बहुत ही धीरे धीरे वो बोल रहे थे. They were speaking softly. Others stood silently, perhaps pondering Tut's ultimately death in his late teens, or wondering with a shiver if the pharaoh's curse, death or misfortune falling upon those who disturbed him was really true. So here some visitors were standing silently. ऐसे साइलेंटली खड़े थे जैसे वो टट को डिस्टर्ब करेंगे तो उसको श्राप दे देगा. एंड समथिंग मिसफॉर्च्यून मे बी अकल टू देम, कि शायद हम उसको डिस्टर्ब कर देंगे तो हमको कर्स देगा और कुछ मिसफॉर्च्यून उसके साथ हो सकता है. सो दे माइट ऑल्सो बी वॉन्डरिंग इफ द कर्स ऑफ फराओ जो राजा थे इजिप्टियंस के, उसको फराओ से जाना जाता था. फराओ विच लीड टू द डिसेंडेंट ऑफ मिसफॉर्च्यून अपॉन द पर्सन हु डिस्टर्ब्ड हिम इज ट्रू. ऐसा वो मानते थे कि वो कर्स देंगे, श्राप देंगे अगर उसको कोई डिस्टर्ब करेगा तो. The mummy is in very bad condition because of what Carter did in 1920s, said Zahi Hawass, Secretary General of Egypt's Supreme Council of Antiquities, as he leaned over the body for a long first look. So here, one person whose name is Zahi Hawass. Now, who is Zahi Hawass? Zahi Hawass is the Secretary General of Egypt's Supreme Council of Antiquities, right? So as he leaned मतलब झुकना, वो झुककर when he was looking at the mummy, he had said that the mummy is in very bad condition because of what Carter did. तो जाही हवास जो बता रहे हैं कि इसकी कंडीशन जो है बहुत ही ख़राब है बिकॉज ऑफ कार्टर ने जो किया इसके साथ, whatever Carter had done. So the mummy, the tomb was discovered in 1920, right? And the tomb was first discovered in 1922. तो उस वक्त जो ये कार्टर है उसने जो किया उसकी वजह से मम्मी की हालत ख़राब है. Now what did he do with the mummy, with the tomb, we will study. Howard Carter, that was British archaeologist. Now who is Carter? Carter is British archaeologist who is in 1922 discovered Tut's tomb after years of futile searching. So as Carter was an archaeologist, you know, जो ज़मीन में पड़ी हुई चीज़ों को जो वो उस पर स्टडी करता है उसको आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट कहते, right? So he was an archaeologist and he discovered the tomb, futile means जो व्यर्थ होता है, वो जो पॉइंटलेस होता है. पॉइंटलेस सर्च के बाद उसको फर्स्ट टाइम उसने ये डिस्कवर किया, टॉम को डिस्कवर किया, राइट. इट्स कंटेंट्स दो हैस्टिली ransacked in antiquity were surprisingly complete. So here the word ransacked means hastily. एक तो वर्ड है यहाँ पर hastily मतलब fast, swiftly, जल्दी से, right? And the word ransacked, it means they trade, go through a place to steal or so. That's a tomb after years of futile searching. It contains जो उसमें जो चीज़ें थी, though hastily ransacked in antiquity, were surprisingly complete. They remain the richest royal collection ever found and have become part of the Pharaoh's legends. तो वहाँ पर जो चीज़ें मिली, right, and that I have shown you in pictures, the wealth, the everyday's needs, the things were found there. Stunning artifacts in gold. So artifacts, whatever the jewelries were there, it was in gold. So golden artifacts were found there. Their eternal brilliance meant to guarantee restorations caused a sensation at the time of the discovery. So here the word restoration means restoration to life and still get the most attention. तो ये जो चीज़ें है आर्टिफैक्ट से, जो गारमेंट्स वहाँ से मिले थे, जो ज्वेलरीज वहाँ पर मिली थी, वहाँ पर डिस्कवर की गई थी, वो द मोस्ट अटेंशन, सबकी वो अटेंशन और अट्रैक्शन का एक अट्रैक्शन हो गया था सबको कि वहाँ से जो चीज़ें उपलब्ध हुई थी, राइट. But Tut was also buried with everyday things he would want in the afterlife. Board games, a broken razor, linen undergarments, cases of foods and wine. तो ये चीज़ें जो थी वो टॉम से मिली थी, बट अभी भी मम्मी जो है वो टट की जो बॉडी है वो अभी भी वहाँ से निकाली नहीं गई थी. तो उसकी बॉडी के साथ क्या था, what were there with him, with his body. तो everyday things, जो रोज़ बरोज़ की जो चीज़ें होती है, बोर्ड गेम्स, ब्रॉन्ज रेजर वहाँ से मिली थी, लिनन अंडरगारमेंट्स जो पहनने के कपड़े थे वहाँ से मिले थे, केसेस ऑफ फूड एंड वाइन वहाँ से मिला था। सो इजिप्ट के लोग ऐसा मानते थे देयर इज़ अ लाइफ आफ्टर डेथ। आफ्टर मंथ्स ऑफ केयरफुली recording the pharaoh's funerary treasures मीन्स खजाना, जो मम्मी जो टट की मम्मी है वहाँ से जो खजाना मिला था, कार्टर बिगेन इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग हिज 3 nested coffins. So the coffin was in 3 part, right? First, then second and then third. जो थर्ड है, लास्ट है, उसमें जो ये उसकी बॉडी को रखा गया था। ओपनिंग द फर्स्ट, तो पहले जो उसकी कब्र थी उसको खोदी गई, तो फर्स्ट ही फाउंड अ श्राउड अडोन्ड विद गार्लैंड्स ऑफ विलो एंड ओलिव लीव्स, while celery, lotus petal and cornflowers, and faded evidence of a burial in March or April. So these things that is evidence that it was buried in March और अप्रैल मंथ, क्योंकि ये जो चीज़ें हैं वहाँ से उस मंथ में पाई जाती है, राइट? क्या? वाइल्ड सेलरी, लोटस पेटल, कॉर्नफ्लावर, ओलिव लीव्स, तो ये सभी चीज़ों से उसको एक गार्लैंड था, उसका बहुत ही अच्छा हुआ डेकोरेट किया हुआ कपड़ा था, कुछ सैलरीज थी जिसको लीफी हर्ब्स जो है होते हैं, लोटस कमल के पत्तियाँ थी, कॉर्नफ्लावर्स थे। तो ये एविडेंस है कि हिज बॉडी वॉज बरीड इन मार्च और अप्रैल मंथ। When he finally reached the mummy, though he ran into trouble, so Carter उसको trouble हुआ, so he had faced the trouble. The ritual resins had hardened, cementing dirt to bottom of a solid gold coffin, as it was gold coffin, right? आपने पिक्चर में भी देखा होगा कि पूरी सोने की वो कॉफिन थी। नाउ रिचुअल रेसिन्स, अब कुछ रिचुअल थे, रीत रिवाज थे, एज अ कस्टम और एज रिचुअल्स, रेसिन्स जो द्राक्ष होती है, जो सूखी द्राक्ष होती है, उस पर वो बॉडी को लेटाया गया था। सो दैट रेसिन्स हैड हार्डन्ड, अब इतनी हार्ड हो गई थी कि उसकी बॉडी को वहाँ से लेना एक मुश्किल भरा हो गया था, जैसे कि ना के बराबर हो गया था। नो अमाउंट ऑफ legitimate force could move them, Carter wrote later. What was to be done? Now his body was not separated from that resins because it was hardened with it. So Carter wrote later, आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट में कहीं उसने लेटर लिखा, what was to be done, कि अब क्या किया जाए। The sun can be down like a hammer this far south in Egypt, and Carter tried to use it to loosen the resins. So as the body was on resins which is hardened, so the sun can beat down, तो ऐसा सोचते थे कि शायद इजिप्ट में जो है धूप होती है तो उसकी वजह से कार्टर ट्राइड लूजन द रेसिन्स बाय कीपिंग द बॉडी इन द हॉट सन, राइट? ही केप्ट द मम्मी इन 149 degrees Fahrenheit for several hours, but still it remained stuck. ओके उसको उसने सोचा कि रेजिन्स जो है वो उससे वो अलग हो जाएगी इफ़ इट इज़ हीटेड। ही रिपोर्टेड दैट अ चीज़ल कुड बी यूज टू कट डाउन द ममी फ्रॉम द लिम्स एंड द ट्रंक सो दैट इट्स बॉडी कुड बी टेकन आउट ऑफ द कॉफिन। सो नाउ ही थॉट टू यूज चीज़ल, कि वो चीज़ल से उसको वहाँ से काटी जाए। इन दिस वे उसने सोचा कि वहाँ से चीज़ल से उसको वहाँ से सेपरेट किया जाए, किसको? टुटनखामुन की बॉडी को कॉफिन से। सो यू कैन सी द मैप इज गिवन, ओके। नथिंग बर्ज्ड बट नथिंग कुड बी हैपन्ड, ओके। द बॉडी वॉज नॉट मूव्ड, द मम्मी वॉज नॉट मूव्ड after using the chisel. He reported with scientific detachment that means he became hopeless that the Tutankhamun body was not removed. The consolidated material had to be chiseled away from beneath the limbs, the trunk, before it was possible to raise the king's remains. And he reported that a chisel could be used, चीज़ल को यूज़ किया जा सकता किया जा सकता है टू कट डाउन द ममी फ्रॉम द limbs and the trunk so that Tut's body could be taken out of the coffin. Okay, so he had cut that mummy, right? इसी वजह से उसमें डैमेजेस हो गए थे. In his defense, Carter really had little choice because he was failed to brought out the mummy from the coffin, and that is why he damaged the mummy. If he hadn't cut the mummy free, thieves most certainly would have circumvented the guards and ripped it apart to remove the gold. Okay, he afraid that if he will not do that, maybe the thieves come and maybe the gold and whatever the wealth were there may be theft, right? कि अगर वो वहाँ से उसको नहीं निकालेंगे तो चोर आएंगे, ये सब चीज़ों को वहाँ से लेकर जाएंगे. सो इन दिस वे ही हैड नो ऑप्शन, उसके पास कोई चॉइस नहीं थी. एंड दैट इज़ वाई ही यूज्ड चीजल to cut that body from limbs and then trunk. In Tut's time, the royals were fabulously wealthy, and they thought or hoped they could take their riches with them. So, Egyptian thought that after death there is a life, and that is why they put the necessary things with the mummy. Thousands of mummies are there in Egypt. We know that, right? And that is why they kept with them gold, some wine, garments, jewelries, grains, right? So इसकी वजह से उसको लूटा जा सकता था, and that is why उसने ऐसा किया था. For his journey to the great beyond king, Tut was lavished with glittering goods, precious collars, inlaid necklace and bracelet, ring, amulets, and ceremonial apron, sandals, seeds for his fingers and toes, and the now iconic inner coffin and mask of all pure gold. So these are the things that found in the tomb of तुतुनखानुन. ये सब चीज़ें उसकी टॉम में पाई गई, right? To separate Tut from his adornments, Carter's men removed the mummy's head and severed nearly every major joints. So the mummy was taken from their joints. जहाँ पर बॉडी में joints होते वहाँ से उसको उठाया गया. Once they had finished, they resembled the remains on the layer of sand in a wooden box with padding that concealed the damage. The bed where Tut now rests, and finally the mummy was kept back. उसको फाइनली वहाँ से थोड़ा रिसर्च के लिए, प्रोब के लिए वहाँ से उसकी मम्मी को उठाया गया था. देन लेटर दैट मम्मी वॉज केप्ट बैक देयर इन द टॉम वेयर टट नाउ रेस्ट. आज भी उसको वहाँ पर हमने देखा कि उसका जो बॉडी है, जो मम्मी है, आज भी हम उसको देखते हैं वेयर टट नाउ रेस्ट, जहाँ पर वो रेस्ट अभी आराम में वो है. So student, today we are stopping here. The rest of the part of this chapter we will understand later. Okay, now in homework I am giving you just read the chapter, and whatever the word meanings are there, whatever the hard words are there, you have to write the vocabulary. Means आपको इसके word meaning लिखने हैं. You have to write the read the chapter, then write the word meaning. Thank you and have a nice day.